Nasdaq and Dow Jones traded in a very narrow range throughout the day, where US100 failed to break below 17,560-550 levels and US30 below 250 levels. I hope the first update which I had shared few hours back would definitely be helpful for you so far. Now, what to expect with the US session, how we can profit trading Nasdaq and Dow Jones, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Second update for the day, thus to get the live updates, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon which gives you notifications, and yes, do like, share and comment friends. Your every action matters to me a lot. Let's start. First Nasdaq followed with Dow Jones. Watch till, and if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Firstly, on the early charts, see consolidated here and too much of consolidation. One thing it has done, prices have taken the support from the 20 period moving average. And yes, it is getting very good support here on the downside. Thus 540. Remember yesterday I have mentioned one thing, that 560-530 zone is going to be a, and in one single go it has breached this resistance. Now it is trying to erase some of the gains from this candle, and thus it is trying to trade with slight bearishness. Look at the lower highs, lower lows. Now we have to wait for it to either break out beyond 17,620 levels in order to confirm the bullishness, or break below 17,540-520 levels in order to confirm the bearishness here. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness, which calls for further bearishness here. RSI also trying to trade with slight bearishness. Look at 2-hour charts. One must notice one bearish candle, couple of retracement candle, and a breakout here below 17,560 levels itself. I will expect it to drop more towards 540, 500 and below levels. There is a possibility that it could try to trade with slight bearishness. Double bottom here on the 2-hour charts, bearish flag formation, and then this breakout. It is trying to erase some of the gains, not confirmed of a reversal, but yes, it is trying to retrace. The stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, see stronger resistance, then a pullback. We have to wait for it to break below this zone here at 17,560, 540, and then we can look forward to 500 levels as well, which is going to remain very good support. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI looking downwards as well. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, remember one thing, lower highs, lower lows. Where is the bottom here? 540, 560 zone. Where is the peak here? 600, 620 zone. It has to stay out of this zone in order to confirm a breakout. Thus, once it breaks below this zone, which is the pivot level, which is also a greater resistance we have seen yesterday, is at 520, 530, and yes, the next support levels at 500. Greater support exists for Nasdaq 100 as long as it stays above 17,500, and below which we can look forward to 450, 420 levels. The stochastic overbought trying to cool down, MACD has still scope for it to rise, RSI almost flat. Coming to the daily, now remember on the daily charts, for Tech 100 to reverse completely, it has to break below 17,350 levels in order to confirm a bearish breakout. What it is trying to do, it is trying to retrace a little. How far it could retrace? 545, 30 levels, very good support, 500 the next, and 450. Yes, it can possibly retrace a little. It is trying to be in the zone, it is trying to stay in this bullish channel, and the bottom of this channel somewhere here at around 400, 350 levels. The stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish. Now look at MACD on the daily charts, it is almost achieve a peak, but yes, it has a scope for it to rise further, though it is still on the overbought side. RSI is overbought as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 17,560 levels. Wait for it to break below 17,530, 540. That should be a critical level for Nasdaq 100 to break, below which you can expect more bearishness towards 17,500, 450 and 400 levels. Remember, a reversal confirmation is only below 17,350. Now, before I give you the buying levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 29th mentorship batch. 28th started yesterday itself. Yes, you can now enroll for 29th batch. Dates are announced. Register yourself now. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for any of your queries related to the signals or the mentorship. You can ping me on Telegram, or you can write an email. Else, join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates, or be a part of the platform forexfonda.com, which is my own platform where you get the live updates, the charts, the calendar, and also the community of traders. You can also book a call there with me if you are stuck up in any trade. Visit the platform. Now look at the daily. Selling entries we have already seen. Buying entries above 620, 630 can be taken. We have to wait for it to break below, beyond the double top levels. Double top levels 17,660, 680. Yes, if you see it is staying above 17,660, 680, this time we are looking forward to 17,800 levels, and it has a potential. Do not think that Nasdaq 100 cannot rise. It can. Do not think that it is overbought. Do not think that it cannot rise further. It has further potential for it to rise. We have to wait for the critical levels to be breached in order to confirm the rise. Thus, take your entries accordingly. Now, let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts, bullish breakout, consolidating here. Wait for the breakout on the upside. Any move above 38,350, yes, stay bullish here, and we will look forward to 420 and 500 levels. Yes, it can fly towards those levels, staying beyond 38, 400, 420 zone. Certainly, you can say 500 is the target. Directly it will lend towards, in fact I will say 550 is the target. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Right now it is consolidating here very much in the zone. The stochastic flat, MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, signs of bearishness here. It can pull the prices little down. Be watchful. RSI flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, consolidation going on here. A drop towards 38,200 can be there. We have to be watchful. It is still not a retracement. As long as now 38,000 levels are not breached, we are not going to treat US30 as bearish. Yes, it is not to be treated bearish. It is trading with this bullish bias, taking the support from the 20 period. Where is the 20 period? Right now sitting at 38,200. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI trading bullish. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour charts, if it breaks below this zone, which is right now having the support at 38,250, we can initiate a selling entry, but then see 38,220, 200 first support levels, and then 38,150 the next target. These are going to be the targets. In worst case, it could try to erase the gains from this candle, taking it till towards 38,100 levels. There is a probability to it. Stochastic dropping from the overbought, MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is staying flat. Similar observation here on the 4-hour charts as well. Little bearish movement is seen, or little retracement towards 38,200 or 100 can be expected. The stochastic looking down, MACD bullish, RSI flat. Coming to the daily. Now remember, on the daily charts, higher highs and higher lows here. Support levels at 38,000, very strong. Yes, you can initiate a selling entry here at 38,250 levels, but then 38,220, 200 first support, 150, 100 is the next, and below 100 is where the bears will be taking over. As long as 38,000 levels are not taken, do not treat US30 as bearish. Below 38,000, then we can look forward to 37,800. Now remember, it is trying to show a retracement here. Any buying entry is above 38,350 levels, where you can look forward to 400, 420 as the first target, and then more bullish momentum taking it beyond 550 and 600 is also possible. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel or visit the platform xauusd.com. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Watch that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.